Right, Prakash, not only Motherson Sumi, in fact, all the other broader market auto ancillaries are also in focus. Sonakoyo, for one, will come up on your screen. The stock has shot up. It's a multi-bagger last couple of months. Auto component manufacturers right now are having a conference in New Delhi, their annual conference, and our colleague caught up with the chairman of Sonakoyo, Surinder Kapoor, on the sideline of that conference. Hear it out.
We're an auto component company. We're dependent on the automotive sector. I think there's no question that the automotive sector is improving, and therefore we are improving. The question is that we believe in the last 2 years, because of the downturn in the Indian automotive sector, the auto component industry has also refocused itself and said, why are we not exporting? An auto component industry as a group, out of a revenue of $40 billion, we are doing $10 billion of exports. So there's a real good opportunity for others who have not been exporting like us, and now we are almost close to 10% of our revenue will come from exports. So I think the export is a strategy for a company like ours. We are now entering the agriculture tractor segment as well. So we're diversifying into different areas. I think going forward, I think the automotive industry is going to improve. The opportunities for exports for players like us is going to improve. We used to export to US before the 2008 debacle. We will revive that now, because at that point in time our orders got cancelled because the customers are having problems. So I think there's a good future, and as the Prime Minister loves to say, Achhe din are here to stay.
Absolutely. So you've spoken about exports will be your next big strategy that you will work on. What are the key markets that you're looking at?
Okay, I think we are looking at the US as a market. I find the US is a very attractive market from auto components perspective. We are not in the aftermarket in the US. I think you all know that the Competition Commission has come heavily on the automotive industry. I think that will give auto component players like us an opportunity to enter into the aftermarket in India as well, which I think is a growth area for us, because so far we were doing nothing in that area. Having said that, I think we need to understand how to do the aftermarket products. We cannot.
Okay, that's a word from the management of Sonakoyo, talking about how there will be a revival in the auto sector, and the stock is really on a strong up move right now, up by a good 8%, and it's only gaining further traction. They said that capacity utilization plans are also picking up, and that interest rates will lower, which will be positive for the sector as a whole. So by and large, you can see that corporate India is certainly giving a big thumbs up to the new government. Meantime, European markets on your screen, and not bad. They've gotten off to